In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove projects on Asana. Whether you're looking to tidy up your project space or permanently delete projects that are no longer needed, I've got you covered. So let's dive in and walk through it step by step, ensuring you can manage your Asana workspace effectively. First, open your preferred web browser and go to Asana's login page. You'll need to enter your email address, the same one that you used when creating your Asana account. Once you've typed it in, click on the Continue button. As you proceed, you'll be prompted to enter your password. This is your personalized key to accessing your workspace, so make sure it's entered correctly. After entering your password, hit the Login button. This will take you to your Asana homepage. Now that you're logged in and on your main dashboard, you can begin the process of removing a project. Take a moment if needed to become oriented with the homepage layout before moving forward. Find the project that you wish to remove. You can locate it in the sidebar where your projects are listed. Click on the project title to open it up. At this point, you should see all the tasks associated with the project, as well as various options for managing it. Next, look for the Actions drop-down. You'll find it usually in the top right corner of the project window. Click on it to reveal a list of options. From this drop-down menu, select Delete Project. Remember, this action is irreversible, so ensure you really want to remove this project and all associated tasks before proceeding. Once you've clicked Delete Project, Asana will prompt you to confirm the deletion. This step is crucial to prevent accidental loss of important data. Click on Delete one more time to confirm your choice. With this confirmation, the project will be permanently removed from your workspace. To recap, navigating through Asana to remove a project is straightforward once you know where to click, but it's important to understand the permanent nature of project deletion. It's a great way to keep your portfolio organized and focused only on current active projects. And there you have it. Yeah, your Asana workspace is now a little cleaner, and you're one step closer to mastering project management on this platform. Feel free to pause and replay any part of this tutorial if you need a bit more time to follow along. If you encounter any issues, checking your internet connection or logging out and back into Asana can often resolve them. Thank you for watching, and make sure to subscribe for more tutorials and helpful tips.